You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word from Latin. Originally, it's a type of sorcery. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I have many more videos for you. It's pronounced in Latin, the pronunciation Goetia. Goetia. This is why in English it's also pronounced as Goetia, not Goetia or Goetia. No, Goetia. It's easy. Goetia, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.